Show you an add-on that I found useful for a form that I use at the beginning of the year. This form is copy of transportation. My kids come to school the first week and they don't know where to go after school, so I create this Google Sheet with that. So the add-on I found useful was split names. So under add-ons, I can click split names, go over to start. Here I have my name of my student. I have the first name and last name in the same cell, and what I would like to do is split them so that the first name is in one cell and the last name is in another. So I had my column as a header, so I click on that at the top. That's name of student. Add column, so I have my first name and last name. They are both in the same column right now. I would like to split them. If we had middle names, I could do that also. So basically you just click on those which ones you want and you click split, and it takes just a few seconds, and close that out. And now I have the name of the student in one cell for their first and last name, and the first and last name in two different cells as well. This information will be good later on. I use their first and last names for a lot of different spreadsheets or sheets that I use during the year, so it would be nice to have the first name and last name in different sections there. Thank you.